If you are craving something warm, cheesy and absolutely delicious in this cold weather, then you have come to the right place. Let's make Alfredo chicken bread, which is a perfect mix of soft bread and creamy chicken filling. First, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, combine half cup of warm milk, half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt and 1 egg. Mix everything until well combined. For the next step, gradually add 2.5 cups of flour and knead until the dough is soft and smooth. You can knead the dough using your hands or a stand mixer. Cover and let the dough rise for an hour or until it doubles in size. While the dough is resting, let's make the creamy chicken filling. In a pan, melt 4 tablespoons of butter. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic. And 2 chopped green chilies. Next, add chopped bell pepper for a pop of freshness. Mix everything well together. Now add 1 cup of fresh cream. Add half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of chicken powder. If you don't have chicken powder, you can also use chicken cube, and half teaspoon of red chili flakes, and finally half teaspoon of oregano. Mix everything well until smooth and creamy. Finally add 300 grams of shredded chicken and combine thoroughly. Your creamy chicken filling is ready. Set it aside and let it cool completely. As you can see, the dough has been doubled in size. Just punch in the dough and release all the air. Now bring the dough to the table and divide it into 12 equal parts. Now roll out each piece of the dough as shown in the video. Add the chicken filling prepared earlier. And sprinkle mozzarella cheese on top. Fold the dough as shown in the video to seal the filling inside. Now brush each piece with egg wash or milk. Sprinkle sesame seeds on top for that extra crunch. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 30 to 35 minutes. And just look at the result. Soft, golden and absolutely delicious. The creamy chicken filling combined with the cheesy goodness inside makes it totally irresistible. This is perfect for any occasion. Just give it a try and you are going to absolutely love it. If you like watching my video, do give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.